traders, I posted recently this euro dollar idea. It was a limit sell. Target was reached and it's been a nice outcome. This was the first target down in here. The second target was here, and my third target, just going off these levels back in here, remains down in this level here. So what I'm looking at today is something fairly similar. If we pick a Fibonacci from high to, well, we'll go to this low at the moment. And now I don't know whether this is going to trade further down, and if it does, then the fib will be adjusted accordingly. But I'm looking for a retrace back up in here. Euro dollar, looking for a short around the 50 to 61.8 fib level. So I would place an entry limit sell around here. Targets, well, I mean, we've got a 1.7R target there. Let's just go out and see if we can find another level that could, once it hits this liquidity under here, I think we'd see a fairly strong retrace. I mean, the next port of call would be these lows. And that coincides with, have a look and see what I've done here on the Fibonacci. This, I'll open it up so you can see. You can copy that if you like. This is the ICT targets, 50 and the 100 projected. So we've got a minus 0.5 and a minus 1. The 50, the idea is this price swing, retrace, 50% of the retrace sets up above here a premium zone and below here a discount zone. Now in this case it's a sell, so you want to be selling in this premium zone. Anywhere above the 50 would qualify. Okay, I don't want to be selling down at this current level. Let's just go back to 4-hour chart. I want this to trade back up in here. If this happens to trade off without me, I'm willing to let it go because I don't want to get involved while this is trading down in these levels here. So I want this pullback. Target 1, target 2, target 3, and we're looking at a 2.76. Now the 50, see the 50 and the 100 projected from the Fibonacci here coincides nicely with the previous price action. Just interesting how everything seems to align. Anyway, that's my take on the euro dollar. I would love to hear your thoughts. Definitely leave a comment. And with that, I hope you have a great day. Safe trading, and we'll see you in the next video.